I was out here using a chainsaw today, cutting some firewood, and then I thought I'd go ahead and open up the community knife that Johnny Arnett and John Hudson are both making for the community of all the chainsaw guys and stuff. I've had it about probably had it for about a month now, and I've been waiting for the right time to open it up. So I think today's the right time to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what it looks like. And once again, thank you, Johnny Arnett and John Hudson, for these community knives. Let's see what we got. Wow. Look at that. Right out of the box, just like that. Wow. That's beautiful leather work too. I don't know who did all the leather work and stuff, but John Hudson or Johnny Arnett, you guys did an awesome job. Both of you did a great job on this. Let's see what the knife looks like. Wow. Now look at that thing.
Gnarly.
That's a beautiful knife. Good Lord.
And you made that chainsaw bar?
Yes. Look at that thing.
Dude, that's awesome.
Look at that thing. Man, it feels good in the hand too. Man. That is awesome. That is a beautiful knife. Look at that. This leather work. Look at this.
HHR.
Yep, that's so awesome. It says it on there too. HHR. What's that? I don't even want to cut anything with it, but good Lord, that's as sharp as can be. Well, thank you guys. That's a beautiful knife. Look at that. It's got a belt loop on it. It snaps in. Put that on the belt right there. That'd be awesome. God, that's awesome. Thank you guys. Later.